How to block or allow pop-ups in Google Chrome on Android device. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome and log into your account. Then click on your profile located on top right corner of your screen. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll all the way down till you find Site Settings. In Site Settings, scroll all the way down till you find Pop-ups and redirects. You can turn it off. As you can see, it is allowed right now. You can simply turn it off and it's not allowed. If you want to allow it, you can simply come in this side and make sure you turn it on. That's how you block or allow pop-ups in Google Chrome on Android device. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.